What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. I'm outside of Lucky's Wheels and Deals right now, and we're getting started on doing some of the repairs to the Pontiac GTO, so we're going to go ahead and get directly into it. And the first thing I got to do is this bumper. Now guys, this is, the clips and stuff are still here. You can see the bumper itself is still good. It did break right here, which won't let it clip on here. But there's a couple of screws here. You can see where it's stripped out there, but that hole is still good. So we're gonna go ahead and try to put this together where I can screw the bumper into place. The strap is gonna kind of help me out with that a little bit. So we can tighten her down so that bumper stops popping off. Because we're gonna put a couple more things together on her. We're gonna go get the dent kit. I'm gonna pull this dent first, and then we're gonna take the actual bumper cover all the way off because there's some underlying damage under here, namely the metal support, the crash bar, which you might be able to see right there. You can see where it's kind of smushed in. And we're gonna try to pull that out, and or I'm gonna replace it. It's not damaging or hitting anything of vital importance, so we'll see. But we're gonna go ahead and get started on this, and then you know, we'll probably do a separate video on all these hail dings with the dent removal kit. But there's just lots of stuff I gotta get done, and the first thing is I want to be able to roll this thing around, and if I'm gonna roll it around, I need to tighten up a few things. That headlight, I need to pull that crash bar out or replace it, and I need to fix that. I need to fix this plastic bumper, so we're gonna do that. Perfect. So you want to talk about a remarkable improvement. Like I said, there's pieces like this up here that aren't going to be right until I replace that crash bar. But look how she's flush and sitting here just by putting these tabs back in the right way. We're going to go ahead and tighten this up now with a wrench. And once that's done, that bumper should be affixed pretty tight. We'll go check the other side. I think this side was a little messed up too. Yeah, she's missing the screw over here. So we could we can tighten that up by putting a tab or something in there and tighten that up. It's nice and tight down there. And then she really just needs a bath. So maybe we should just get her cleaned up, get her tightened up, and then she should be good to go. We'll get her off the trailer and drive her a little bit later. But wanted to do a short bonus video giving you guys an idea. Just some of the stuff, man. It's little things, man, that are gonna have to be done on this to get this thing back to looking right, and we're gonna do that. So let me get the wrench out, get her tightened up. Sometimes a good old pair of vice grips is really all you need. Nice and tight, she's all bolted up. I can tighten the strap back down, and we're good to go. That's pretty much it.